Dit is Glendy. En hier zie je een... oh, Spidey. Kom Daisy, doe ik. Ik probeer die trouwens even in het Engels te doen. Kijk, dat is Bouke. Dat scheelt me een heel soort werk. Ik hoop dat ik daar oren meestal net maar beledig of zo. Net wel. 10 years of Friesian Horses. En ik steer in mijn Shetlanders. Klopt, ik ben net. Maar ik heb het net gefilmd op de orenstal, omdat ik daar gewoon net ontdekt ben. 10 years of Friesian Horses on YouTube. Wow. Echt amazing. Really amazing. Who would have thought this? No one. Hello. I want to tell you the story of the last 10 years. If it's possible. I posted the first Friesian Horses video on 24th of September 2012. So 10 years ago. It was a video together with Queen Unique and Wietske. I don't know if you know who that is. They were in front of the carriage. So I thought I can film it and place it on YouTube. Because YouTube was new 10 years ago here in the Netherlands, I think. In the years after that, I sometimes posted a video. Just because I liked it. I posted videos from horses and dogs and cats and sometimes other things. Most of the videos are still online, but some are better. They are watched that much. At the beginning of 2019, the channel finally had 5,000 subscribers. Well, that much I never thought. Spidey? One of the videos was going viral. It was in 2019. It was a video where I bring the young horses to the pasture with Queen Unique. And from then on, I thought I have to post more videos and share it with you. That has been well received by you. He wasn't born yet. And you? You are 8, I think. No, don't do that. So she also not. And you? Think she's a bit older. I just don't know at this moment. I think 11? Maybe it's because of my brain. Never mind. Okay, I posted more videos and it was well received by you. And it did become Follow the Herd. You are the herd. The community. I listened carefully to you all these years. What you wanted to see. And I still do. So that's... hey, don't bite me. Stop! Nee, this is how Friesian Horses on YouTube has become what it is now. What it is... no, don't. Nee. I say what it is now, but what it has become a couple of months ago. No, don't do it. Unfortunately, I fell with a horse 3 months ago. And it's not possible to share with you that often as I did before. Hopefully, it will come in future. In 2020, we finally had received 100,000 subscribers. 100,000! It really is amazing. Nee. Hey Daisy, that's Daisy. We received the silver play button. The YouTube award. Amazing. And later in 2020, I was able to buy the pregnant Queen Unique. With your help. It really was amazing. I don't have more words to say. Don't. Most of the videos are always fun and with the horses. But there was one video who wasn't that fun. When Unique, her full star, was born. He was stillborn. A day later, Queen Unique was able to help another foal who has lost his mother after the birth. It really was love at first sight. And you called him Rising Star. I'm glad I could share the video with you. The video has now watched more than 11 million times. It's amazing. It was such a wonderful moment to share with you. A few months later, I was able to buy Rising Star JK. Unfortunately, Queen Unique has another stillborn foal in 2022, this year. The reason was not compared to 2021. It really was so sad. We couldn't do anything about it. Over the years, I just filmed almost everything, and I posted almost everything, just the way it is. To be with the horses. That boring. Yes, I know. Sorry. I just want to share it with you. Now it's September. Today is September 90. Boring. Hey, not bieten. Don't buy it. Okay. I hope you don't yawn. Now it's September 2022. There are 346,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Really. I say subscribers, but I think I can call you herd members. Don't you? Oh, this is Spidey. He is nursing. And don't kick, please. Thanks to Ryan, the owner of the Friesian Horses, we can film and post a lot to share it with you. Also thanks to the people who help at Stalgie. Thank you, really. It's great that we can share the horses with the rest of the world in this way, really. So that everyone can enjoy the horses. I also want to thank the moderators for all the help they do, and all the people who comment and also love these horses. I probably forgot to share an important moment with you. Let me know in a comment what I forgot, so the community knows this too and can find it or read it or know it. Thank you so much for being such loyal herd members. Really. Thank you so much for all the support all those years. Also the GoFundMe, PayPal, the merchandise, everything. And great how you have been there for me the last 3 months. Thanks for all your sweet messages. In any way, it's unbelievable. Fortunately, I'm getting a bit better every day. Doctor still says that I really have to think about it, and I really shouldn't do too much. So I don't. I have ridden Rijntje 3 times. Even if it was only for 5 minutes, at least I can still ride. I'm so happy about that. I hope you can enjoy the beautiful horses for a long time to come. I try to post at least 1 video every week. Hopefully it will be more later. Maybe. I hope so. Every now and then I also post a story or a post. Thanks, everyone. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Thank you so much for everything. I don't know what to say anymore. Daisy, thank you all so much. I don't have any more words to say. Thank you.